Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm very blessed, and I really mean that because I always say when someone sends you Happy Mail, it's not just the gift inside. It's the part where they thought about what they were sending, they took the time to get it ready, and then they paid the postage. It's Happy Mail's a big deal to get. I just got one from Tina, from Tina's Reborns. I got this adorable Grinch baby. And then in a separate one that came a couple days later, I got this little elf. Look at this little outfit. I didn't think I was going to get that because AliExpress had sold out and Tina had sent it to me along with this cute skirt. There is a Grinch challenge that Tina is doing on the 19th of December. You might want to go by her channel and get the details on that. This is from Erica at Little Awana. Am I saying that right? Ahana? Nursery. She sent me one last year too, so I was quite surprised. How nice is this? She sends a Christmas card and oh wow, a full package. Wow, enjoy the day. 'Tis the season when joy and wonder fill the air. May they find you now and throughout the year. Happy holidays. Sending a lot of love and thank you for doing all you do from your Dolly friend Erica, Little Ohana. Oh, how nice is this? And these are like note cards, but they're like playing cards. When you love what you have everything you need. I'm telling you, that is so true. I know people that chase rainbows all their life and never realize they're holding the pot of gold in their hand. Oh, Erica, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, this is a little, oh, how cute is this? A little stand for a tiny little doll. It is an LOL. Thank you so much. Oh, and look at this for my Blythe dolls. Merry Christmas. And a little bow. Oh, how cute. Look at, oh, I dropped it. Let me put this in her hair. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that. Thank you, Erica. That is so kind. Okay, and then this one came in the same mail. And I peeked inside because I couldn't, we didn't know what it was. And was I surprised? This is from J Doll UK. God love Jay. If you don't watch Jay's channel, she has everything. Look at this, an advent calendar. Wait, Darren, wait. I gotta get my glasses. This is tiny, tiny print. And I'm an old, I am an old lady. Okay, there was a note here from Jay. Here it is. A small gift to wish you happy holidays. Love, Jay, from Jacqueline Jeffs. Jay, this is not a small gift. This is a great big deal. You know I appreciate everything and mostly your friendship. J Dolls UK was the first person on YouTube that I actually made friends with and started doing collabs with, and we have continued to do that. And Jay is, you know that good person you think she is on her videos? That's Jay. Okay, what is today? The 7th? Is today the 7th?
Today is the 7th.
All right, I'm going to hand this off to you and take the camera if you don't eat it all too fast. Here you go. So we're going to let Darren open this one because he films me with the dolls and everything. Yep, that's right.
You just want me to do 7 then?
Yeah, do the first 7.
Oh, I get to do all 7?
Yeah. Ooh. Now don't forget, we will be sharing. You have to say the numbers you're opening.
This is number 6. Well, I think most of the crowd here can count along with me. Where is number 5 here? We're going backwards. Oh, here's 5 here, up here by number 1.
Oh, wow.
I'm
Jay,
starting to see a pattern.
Jay, this is fantastic. I get a kiss a day. Well, yeah. Darren and I get a kiss a day from Jay. And 3 is up in the white in the sled.
What? Okay. Well, here's 4. That's what I was looking for.
Okay, you're going backwards.
I am.
How fun is this? Jay, this is so fun. You are
I could turn
a
back time.
sweetheart. Okay.
2. No, I'm just saying because we're going backwards in time here.
Oh, okay.
I'll just. And 1 was right here in the middle next to.
Now you have to do like VL Ayla Avar and tell about how you enjoy your calendar. If you think it's worth having, and if you would get another one. That's what Ayla does every day. So look, he's opening up a piece of candy. Hershey's Kisses. And
I'm not sure. Let me check another one and see.
yeah, Ayla does that too. She has to look at a few things before she decides, is this a good Advent calendar?
It is a wonderful Advent calendar. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Oh, see that shakiness? You can tell I'm the camera person.